In the last episode, I was putting the finishing touches on my massive stainless steel eagle sculpture, getting ready to ship it from my studio in Las Vegas to its final home in Florida.
Wow.
Today is installation day. We're in Florida, and Michelle and I just rode the motorcycle cross-country from my studio in Vegas, while the eagle sculpture was riding on a flatbed truck.
We're gonna bring each piece out, unwrap it. There's a big dumpster over here. We're gonna put all the scrap shipping materials in.
The first step is to unwrap the sign and move it into place on the lawn. We have to keep an eye out for some of the local wildlife here, like this crocodile who lives in the pond, steps away from the installation.
I got my eye on him, making sure he doesn't come any closer.
We've got a great crew on site today with the crane truck. The first step, moving the iconic energetic sign into place, is relatively straightforward. There's a pad laid down already, and once the sign is in position, we'll bolt it into the concrete. Now for the fun part.
Okay, we're gonna take the eagle over now to where the dumpster bin is over there, unpack it, and then take it over to the boom lift to be lifted onto the sign.
It's taken me 6 months and hundreds of hours to complete this sculpture at my studio, and it's now traveled thousands of miles to get here. We've got to be careful, but as usual, nothing ever goes exactly according to plan. Right away, we're having trouble getting the eagle body removed from the frame it was transported on. We need to lift the body off its securing posts and swing it over into place above the sign, and then slide it down precisely onto the receiving posts on the top of the sign.
Lift a little. Hold on. Fuck.
With a little brute force, we finally get it moving in the right direction. We have to be careful here not to damage the stainless steel, but sometimes the only solution is to put a little muscle into it. This part always makes me a little nervous, watching my sculpture swing through the air. Luckily, today's a still day. There's no wind to contend with.
Okay. Now, just gotta kind of pull it forward a little.
The eagle's feet have already been attached to the top of the sign, and now the sheaths at the bottom of its legs must slide into the posts at the top of the claws. The angle here needs to be just right, so that the massive eagle sculpture slides perfectly into place. This sign has been engineered to withstand hurricane-force winds, but only if the installation goes 100% correctly. Even though the system is designed to be simple, these installations are usually anything but.
4 inches, something like that. Now she's coming. A little more. It's almost like, oh.
Finally, the body slides into place, and now it's held secure on the sign.
It's gotta be, just bring the weight down and it'll go. Okay, whoa.
So next, we turn our focus to the wings. It was painstaking work to create these beautiful wings, and now, only meters away from their final destination, we've got to be careful not to damage them. The mirror polish on the stainless steel can easily be scratched, so we handle every moment with extreme care.
Watch the ladder behind you.
Also, the weight of this wing is immense, so we have to protect our own safety as well during this supposedly easy process. But I know from experience that it always takes a bit more muscle than I planned.
Makes sense?
Watch your noodle.
Now, that just might be the way. Hold it there. Just wondering, see, I can guide this in. Come back to you a little bit. Back. That's really close. Okay. Whoa. Too much. Up a little bit. Okay, and then about 6 inches that way, maybe not even.
There are 2 receiving holes in the back of the eagle's body where the wings attach. Getting that angle just right is tricky. The lift crew and I have just met, so we need to get our communications sorted out quickly.
Can you pull on that wing right there?
Down just a hair. Okay. Hold it. Don't move at all. It's in, okay? I just have to figure out.
It takes patience and clear communication to get it right. And most of all, we don't rush. And in this case, we had to readjust a couple of times before we got it right.
Okay, take it back. We're gonna go down. Come this way, George. Out of the way.
Back.
I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna try to re-angle it. We're just fighting too much.
Whoop!
Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hold it. Stay there for a sec. Okay?
I'll keep it right there.
Try it.
Ahí empuje, hágale para arriba, Jaime, y empuje.
Try it.
Michelle got to work uncovering the sign lettering to let it glimmer in the sun.
Here he comes with the second wing.
And then it was time to attach the second wing. This time, it went a bit smoother. And when that final wing slid into place, we were all breathing a sigh of relief. This is one of my finest sculptures ever. And luckily, we made it out alive, because our crocodile friend was starting to take a keen interest in us.
Our friend is back. I'm gonna zoom in on him. He's right on the edge of the water here, having a peek at what we're doing. You just stay right there.
This massive stainless steel eagle sculpture was 6 months in the making, and now it's ready for the world to see. And if you want to see the process of building this amazing sculpture, you can watch this episode here. Thanks for watching. See you back in Vegas.